Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome for the first time. Today's video is going to be a ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadow haul as well as tutorial. This entire eye look was created using those ColourPop eyeshadow. Well, not the ones that I hauled. 3 of the ones I hauled and 1 that I hauled previously. This is the look that I came up with. Super pretty. Very pink and girly. Alright, loves, before I hop into the tutorial, I will show you a swatch slideshow of the shadows that I did purchase. I love ColourPop. All of their Super Shock eyeshadows are $5. I bought 7. $35 is free shipping, and since I have such an extensive list of ColourPop makeup that I wish to have in my makeup collection, I have no problem spending $35 on the website. So like I said, you will be seeing swatches of these 7 eyeshadows that I purchased, and then we'll get right into this look. Hope you loves enjoy. With the shade No Promises, which is a deep orange color, on my Ruby Kisses tapered eyeshadow brush, and I'm working that in and above my crease. I'm going right above my actual crease with the shade Central Perk. It is a deep berry brown color, and I'm using my Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush. As you can see, I'm going to go in my crease to make sure that area is filled with color as well. I'm priming my lid with the Kleancolor matte eyeshadow primer. I have oily lids, so any eye primer basically works for me, but the Kleancolor formula in particular is amazing. It makes my lid completely matte. I'm applying Don't Leave, a beautiful hot pink, to my lid using my Aloe E122. I'm using my ColorMates eyeshadow brush to highlight my brow bone with the LA Colors Matte Eyeshadow Single in French Vanilla. I use the E.L.F. Liquid Liner and the Black Radiance Lash Lengthening Mascara. I'm wearing the Miss Lashes 3D Volume Lash in the style M301. Using my Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush, I'm now blending the shade Central Perk along my lower lash line. I'm applying the Smoke and Mirrors Lengthening Mascara to my lower lashes. The spiky applicator is perfect for grabbing each individual lash. Now I'm lining my waterline with the Milani Supreme Kohl Kajal in Blackest Black. I'm using my E.L.F. Small Smudge brush to highlight the inner corner of my eye with the shade Birthday Girl. I'm applying the Amuse Beauty Blush in red, even though in the pan it looks orange and on my face it looks orange, hence the little orange emoji. And I'm applying this blush using my Modessa Angled Blush brush. I'm highlighting with a mixture of these gold and pink highlighters from the Flower, Shimmer, and Strobe palette using my AOA F19. I moisturized my lips with the Sprite Lip Smacker. This tastes so good. I'm applying a hot pink lipstick by the brand LA Colors. It is their matte lipstick in the shade Mad Love. I'm I'm topping my lipstick with the Urban Decay Revolution Lip Gloss in Big Bang. It is full of sparkles and glitter. I'm setting my face with the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Mattifying Spray. I hope you loves enjoyed the tutorial. Everything that I used to create this look will be listed down below in the description, as well as a list of those 7 eyeshadows that I purchased. Here's another close-up of the look. I really like how this makeup came out. I haven't done a cut crease look in a while, so I thought I would do one, and it's really pretty. Alright loves, go ahead and drop a comment down below telling me what you thought, and until next time, bye loves!